Presenting Amazon brand Solimo Medusa Engineered Wood Wardrobe. Manufactured using premium quality engineered wood, the wardrobe is sturdy and durable. The spaciously designed two-door wardrobe is for ample spacing and includes multiple shelves and hanging storage for efficient organization. The contemporary design and long-lasting smooth walnut finish give it a classy look. The wardrobe is door action tested thoroughly for over 10,000 cycles and draw action of up to 5,000 cycles to ensure longevity. The rust-resistant hardware and 15 mm thick board adds to the robustness of the structure. The smooth edges and absence of burrs prevent accidental scrapes and cuts, and the materials are devoid of any toxins and harmful chemicals to make it safe to use. It has a load-bearing capacity of up to 95 kg for large compartments and 45 kg for the drawer. The dimensions of the wardrobe are 112.5 cm in length by 45 cm in width by 183 cm in height. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery and installation of this product at a day and time of your convenience. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.